Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to use the Aurora Store without a Gmail or Google account. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So if you want to use the Aurora Store on your Android TV without a Google account, that is using the application as an anonymous user, this is exactly what you have to do. The very first step is for you to install the application to your Android TV. If you don't know how to install Aurora Store to your Android TV, in the description of this video, there is a link there that is going to guide you install the application to your Android TV. Now, after installing the application to your Android TV, this is exactly what you have to do. The first thing is to launch the application. So you go over here and you just click on the application, and this is what you're going to get. They're going to give you two options. You can log in with your Google account or log in anonymous. Anonymous means you don't have to use any account. So if you want to use your Google account, which I don't recommend, you can use this option. But if you want to go anonymous, just click on anonymous here and just click on launch. Once you click launch, the application is going to launch to your Android TV, and you can start installing the application. As you can see, this is the application page where you have all the applications here they can install to your Android TV. So here's it. I can install applications without having to log in with your Google account, and this is how to install or use the application as an anonymous user. If you find the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.